several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try.
Okay guys, let's go to the other side. Let's go and see what they've got there, what they have to offer.
Do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charles.
Whoa, look at that guys. That's a nice private beach there, oh. That's nice there. It's protected. It's not maalon. Nice beach. Very private. Let's go to the other side. Let's go that way. See anong meron doon. Bakit nag-graffiti sila, oh? Ayan, ang ganda dito, oy. Ang daming mga bato-bato. Yan. Yan, oh, private beach. Private. Ang ganda. Mag-bikini dyan ba? Mag-shooting. Anong mag-photoshoot ba? Mag-bikini dyan. Maganda. Ayan, oh. Ang kakusog mo dagan anang baruto, oh. Ang ganda ng tubig. Oh, that's so nice. Nice private. Kayo lang dalawa ba? Agoy, kanindot. Oh, kalami. Oh, kagilok. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Ang ganda ng ano nila, oh, boardwalk. Saan ito padulong? Ah, sa Pikas. Sa ibang beach na naman ito. Anong beach ito? Ang ganda dito. Merong anong doon, oh. Parang festival. Wala, ang ganda pala dito. Mag-walking, oh. Coastal walk. Wala, ang ganda. Maganda dito, mag-walking-walking lagi. Uy, kauban ang imuhang kuan ba? Yan ang gusto ko. Kasi ano, romantic kaayo. What? Agoy! Oh, nagikilig, nagibiga. Oh, ganda dito, guys. Talaga. Grabe. Ganda. Ganda dito, eh. Ganda. Mag-walking. That's another beach there. That's a lighthouse beach. Sorry guys, it's a town beach pala dyan. Town beach.
I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby. Do you look so pretty in your smile, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile, baby?
Ayan guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much again for watching all my videos. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ian's Diary. Thank you so much sa inyong suporta. Bye-bye. See you on my next video. Thank you.
You color my life. You break the line. I'm falling for you. In my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you.
What a beautiful place here in Port Macquarie. Nice coastal walk here. Thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Uwi na tayo kasi time for lunch na. It's Australia Day. Mag-barbecue kami ngayon. Usually what we do on Australia Day, barbecue. At saka mag-inom.
One eternity later.
searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Trust me, watch me, give you a good time. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Love when you put your hands on me. Give you a good time. Give you a good. Give you a good time. Give you a good. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Trust me, touch me, give you a good time. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me.